Sparkling Caribbean Sea, a gorgeous morning, and this almost an acre of land surrounded by water on three sides. A little difficult to tell, but on the left, right about in the middle of the screen now, there's a canal. This spectacular lot is really an island paradise, set in the Caribbean, surrounded by water on three sides. A canal on one side, a bay on the other side, a marina close by, and accessible by water, so it gives total privacy. And as you can see how close it is, it's like 1 minute away or 2 minutes away from the marina. Absolute privacy, spectacular. Okay, just coming up now in a little launch to the property. The canal's right in front of us. This is the canal. There's only one other house on it right now. It's got a dock, 75-foot dock. And here we are looking back at the marina and Parrot Tree. So here's some of the property, pretty much untouched. This has been slightly cleared here, but some wonderful jungle, just beautiful. Here we are looking out at the Caribbean side. This is the southern side of the property, closest to the dock. You know, the cicadas in the trees. I've seen probably 30 hummingbirds, wish willy, which is the small black iguana, is endemic to the island. All kinds of beautiful little creatures.